Welcome to this explainer. Let's dive into exactly why rigid static workout plans always fail busy people. Look, it's 6:45 p.m. Late emails. The sink is leaking. Your planned 1-hour gym chip? Completely impossible. So, the fix? We're trading that old zero workout guilt for an adapted routine that keeps momentum alive. Most fitness apps assume perfect conditions. Got only 20 minutes? Their rigid algorithms just completely break down. You need a dynamic full back workout. It's a strategically scaled down version of your program, not random jumping jacks. For example, a heavy 60-minute barbell leg day should instantly pivot to an 18-minute home dumbbell routine. Even 18 minutes hits those same muscles. You keep that momentum going and completely avoid streak-breaking guilt. This is where IZEM steps in. Its automated pivots easily beat basic trackers and expensive human coaches. IZEM uses proactive, two-way voice calls. An actual ringing phone breaks right through easily ignored app notifications. Plus, the AI coach listens without lecturing. It actually remembers your preferences, schedule constraints, and previous injuries. This flexibility applies to nutrition too. Just snap a quick picture to totally skip toxic food databases and guilt. Honestly, you still strictly need human professionals for complex injuries, medical concerns, or elite sport-specific coaching. Okay, let's make this actionable. Here is your exact practical playbook to set up this adaptive system today. First up, pick one goal. Set realistic training days and take that first IZEM call for deep personalization. Next, scan your food or equipment today, do the first workout, and review your day so the plan adapts. Consistency beats perfection. Check out the full deep dive article on fallback workouts at youraicoach.life. Seriously, try IZEM at aicoach.life. Do that first setup step today. Save your routine.